Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Today is a review video and I thought that let me just sit down and review one of the favorite toner. Now currently this is a new product and as you can see from the title itself, I'm gonna review about the product called Dermafique. Now this is recently a new product. Currently I'm using a toner and I really love the product. I have empty half of the bottle as you can see it, so I thought let me just sit down and speak about this product. Using a Good Vibes Rose Water Toner, use that product and I found that product very good. बहुत टाइम से चाहती थी कि मैं कुछ ऐसा टोनर यूज करूँ that it really works great. Since Good Vibes भी बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट था, it have really works great to my skin. I have researched a lot for especially for toners because I really not a person for toner. बट लेकिन मैंने बहुत रिसर्च मारा सिंस पीपल कीप सेइंग कि आप टोनर क्यों नहीं यूज़ करते हो, यू नो इट्स गुड फॉर योर स्किन एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई थॉट कि लेट मी जस्ट गिव अ ट्राई फॉर अ गुड टोनर, गिव एडवाइस विच आई रियली लव द प्रोडक्ट. आई एम नॉट समवन की यू नो जो फेक प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करके आप बोलो कि ओ वाह ये बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है, ये बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. नहीं, मैं पहले खुद पे ट्राई करती हूँ. आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग दैट प्रोडक्ट, सो आई मेक वीडियो, आई मेक श्योर दैट आई एम यूजिंग फर्स्ट ऑन मी and then I give you a honest review about it, that exactly how it works and what exactly I feel about this product. So I have been using this product and really love the product and yeah, so I think I'm blabbering so much about this product. Go into this video, you guys have to subscribe to my channel. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, do not forget to click on the like button and do not forget to click on the bell icon that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Constantly I'm trying to make a video and I'm trying hard कि week में एक बार video तो ज़रूर जाए. So yeah, so if you're not even following me on social media, which is Instagram and Snapchat, so the link would be there onto your description box, or I would be sharing a link into a screen that you can go and follow me on Instagram. And now let's start. So as I told you that I am not a toner person, I thought to give a ट्राई. चलो कोशिश तो कर ही सकते हैं. टू यूज़ मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स अ लॉट बट ट्राई टू अवॉइड स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स. मैं बहुत चूजी हूँ प्रोडक्ट्स को लेके. सेंसिटिव थोड़ी सी स्किन है बिकॉज मैं कोई भी प्रोडक्ट स्विच कर लेती हूँ एट अ सर्टन वीक पीरियड में, तो मुझे एक्नेस आने लग जाते हैं एंड आई रियली डोंट लाइक इट. तो मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट में मैं वही फॉलो करूँ जो मुझे पहले से ही सूट करता है. मैं स्किन केयर को लेके थोड़ी सी चूजी हो जाती हूँ. आई यूज़ मल्टीपल्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू फेस आई एम लिटिल चूजी एंड यू कैन से कि मैं थोड़ी सी हो जाती हूँ कि हाँ भाई मुझे सूट करेगा कि नहीं. एक्ने तो नहीं आना चाहिए. वो एक्ने वैनिश होने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगता है एंड आपको बहुत वेट करना पड़ता है. तो मैं थोड़ी सी हो जाती हूँ. मतलब आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज वांटेड टू ट्राई अ टोनर. सो मैंने बोला चलो एक ट्राई तो बनता ही है टोनर बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ टोनर पर्सन एज यू गाइज नो इट. द प्रोडक्ट इज $3.99 for 150 ml. You can find this bottle on Amazon, you can find in Nike. I would be sharing a link into description box, so you can just click on the link and you can directly buy it. So if you talk about the product description, cleanse the pore and it balance the pH level and hydrate the skin. It is a paraben free and alcoholic free. The thing is that I really like when the products literally have the ingredients written into the back of their packaging. So the ingredients is already mentioned, so you can even check it out. Might be thinking to how to use this product. You can add a few drops to your cotton pad, dab it into your skin for few seconds and generally wipe off. If you talk about the packaging about this product, comes into a plastic bottle with a screw cap. The packaging is super attractive with aqua color. It is a very stylish screw knob on the top. Bottle is very travel friendly and mess free. The fragrance, now the fragrance is, it have a little refreshing aqua fresh fragrance. So when you smell the fragrance, it really feels that you know luxurious type of you know products. So एकदम high ended products होते हैं जिसके fragrance एकदम सही होते. It feels like that. Not all heavy or irritating to your nose. Like कोई fragrance होते हैं जो बहुत irritate करते हैं you know by smelling the fragrance. So this product has had really good fragrance. So my experience about this product, started taking a cotton pad and added a few drops, and dab into my skin gently. Clean face. I notice a instant glow on my face which look pretty. Toner is completely dry. You will feel it have a little stickiness into your face. After a minute it go away. So next I follow up with my all many kind of activities, and then I applied my moisturizer. Use this product in day and night. You use this product in a day and a night, within a week you can see a difference. I use this product in day and a night, and within a week I have found tremendous, I can say, a difference, but I have found a little bit of difference into my skin. Now toner is one of the best, one of the major products that you have to use it. So I think so toner बहुत important एक पार्ट है स्किन केयर का जो यूज होना चाहिए, जो मैं पहले यूज नहीं करती थी, बट आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट. नाउ आई रियली कैन फाइंड द डिफरेंसेस. रियली फाउंड अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस की जो टोनर यूज नहीं करता है. So now this product is something that which help you for a pH balance. My skin started looking more healthier. I was not even facing any kind of dryness. I've seen my pH balance have got maintained, and the second thing that I have noticed that my oiliness have got control because of toner. Also have noticed the beautiful glow on my face. Product is something which maintain your pH balance but does not improve your skin texture or any kind of elasticity. It does the job very beautifully. Plus it is paraben and alcoholic free. Works great for a sensitive skin also without getting any rashes or any breakout. So I would recommend, if you're buying a toner, I think so you should go ahead because it is suitable for all skin type. In a week only you may be able to identify that what this product have bought you. For pH balance it is super duper great, and it does not give you get dryness. Winter season especially the skin gets more dry and flaky. I think so this product do the great job. And if you are somebody who is from the combination skin type and you might get more oily and everything, now that also this product does a great job. Now let's talk about the pros about this product. Pros about this product that it corrects the pH level within a week, control the excessive dryness and oiliness, provide a beautiful glow, paraben and alcoholic free. Con, I think so there is nothing that I have found about this product. That's all for the video. Hope you like my video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. So till then, bye. I'll see you in the next video.